Thagora, leather cutting room solution, offline basic workflow, best suitable for the automotive industry, also suitable for the furniture industry. The leather upholstered automotive manufacturing is facing major challenges. The constraints of keeping low costs due to high competition in the automotive industry and the pressure for delivering high volumes in a short time while meeting restrictive quality standards. For years, the inline workflow has been the standard for the leather cutting room. With all the processes, scanning, nesting and cutting being performed at once on the cutting machine, the only advantage is simplicity. Although this workflow is still useful for shoes industry manufacturers, it has important drawbacks for the challenges of the automotive and furniture industries. The offline basic workflow means that the scanning, automatic nesting and cutting processes are performed on different workstations. This workflow is designed for an increased overall performance when the production is defined by parts of average area and hides of low to medium diversity from the nesting efficiency's point of view. Everything starts with the design of the product models in any CAD application, followed by the files being imported in the Thagora database. During the important procedure, the models are automatically checked for geometrical and consistency errors. The leather from the suppliers is received and stored in the warehouse. All the information from the suppliers related to the received batches are stored in the Thagora database. The production workflow is triggered by the orders sent by different customers from around the world, which are received by Thagora. The automatic planning module creates production orders or imports them from ERP. For each production order, Thagora generates a pick and scan job. The next step is the scanning on the Thagora leather scanning machine. The hides required for one job are picked from the warehouse and the scanning process starts. The system indicates to the operator when the required area for the current job is reached. The scanned hides are stored on a different horse and sent directly to the cutting area. The information regarding the scanned hides are sent to Thagora database to generate the nest job and the cut job. When the last hide from one job is scanned, the nesting server starts the automatic multi-hide nesting. Once the nesting is finished, the nesting job is manually approved by the operator or automatically approved. After nesting is approved, the job is ready to be cut. The hides are handled one by one. Lay the hide, cut and collect the parts. For maximum accuracy and speed, the hides laying and parts collecting processes are assisted by a video projection system. After cutting, based on logistic criteria, the cut parts are collected in different boxes and the reusable waste is automatically labeled and sent back to the warehouse. Finally, after cutting, the quality control is performed on a separate station. The parts to be recut are marked in the system for reprocessing and a full traceability of the entire process. The approved parts are ready for sewing and the whole workflow is complete. Now let's recap the most important advantages of the offline basic workflow. By separating the scanning, nesting and cutting processes, the cutter has a much higher productivity because it is used only for the job it is supposed to do, cutting. Additionally, the multi-hide nesting allows for an increased nesting efficiency for each nesting job. Furthermore, the hides logistics is still easy to manage. For more details, please check out our website.